Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Build a trading platform in C# using Interactive Brokers API, part 12, linking to TWS. So basically what this is when you change the symbol here, say Microsoft, it'll change the chart that anything's linked to. So I have a link to group 4, so anything in group 4 will be linked together. So anytime I change a symbol on my trading platform here that I built, that we're building, the chart will change. Same if you click on a symbol in your trade ideas, if you use trade ideas, it'll all change together. I haven't seen this anywhere in on YouTube, so I thought I'd share it with you. So stay tuned. Okay, here we are in Visual Studio, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Now would be a good time anyway. Okay, go to your eWrapper file here and look for print contract message here. And in there, you want to put this in there. Variable which gets the contract ID number, and then this part here will send it off to your Form 1 file. So once you do that, now go to your Form 1 file here, and at the top want to put like a global variable in there. So put this integer, my contract ID, like mine here. So okay, next thing you want to do is put your delegate in here like we've done in the past, your contract ID that you passed on from your eWrapper. And then here, I put the contract E into that global variable, which is my contract ID. Okay, the next thing you want to do is go to your get data, so you can look for that. So in get data, make sure you have this here. Here you're basically just requesting contract details, and that's in your get data method. Okay, the next thing you want to do is go to your connection button. So look for connection or connect. And this here, where it says subscribe to group 4, that's what you'll be doing. This 9002 number can be anything, any number you want, I guess. Doesn't have to be 9002, but the 4 at the end is the group that you're you want to link to or subscribe to, and that's in your button connect click event where it connects. Okay, the next thing you want to do is look for your timer, your timer 1. And in your timer 1, you want to basically create a string. So create a string variable, and that contract ID that we got from the eWrapper, because we need that, it's a unique number. For every contract has a number. Like Microsoft, the number is maybe a 6-digit number. So you take that and add it to the exchange you want. I'm always using Smart Exchange, so that's what I'm using. And then we update display group this is where it actually changes the symbol. So we need all that in there. So this is where I found out how you can link groups and stuff. And if you do this query display groups, it'll display all the groups I have available. There's about 7 of them. And then it returns a list. But that's only if you want to see that list. But I've already looked at it, so I don't need to put that in my code now. And this is how you subscribe to that. So if I wanted group 4, like I said earlier, I just put a 4 here. And then when you want to set the symbol, like change it, this is what you want to do. You want to update the display group. So the unique stock number goes here. This could represent IBM, but I'm not sure that's IBM's number. And then at Smart or whatever exchange you want to use. So that's found here in the Interactive Brokers GitHub. I'll leave a link to this in the description if you want to look at it further. Okay, let's try it out now. Like, I already know it works, but let's give it a go. So you connect. Get rid of the Visual Studio here. I'm going to start my trade ideas. Okay, and we'll link trade ideas. So you go to your tools, external linking, and then add link. And then you just hover over your combo box here and press your shift key. Do that again. Shift. Okay. And so now when I change the symbol, Tesla will come up. And if you want to select a symbol from your trade ideas, same idea. Changes on your platform and changes in Trader's Workstation, like the chart. Also change the order entry window here because it's linked. See the link here, which is group 4. Okay. Okay, please like and subscribe, donate, and if you missed any of the code, that'll be on my website, sharpertradingimage.blogspot.com. Thanks again. See you next time. Bye. Oh goodness.